Hi, I'm Andrew Potocznik. Welcome to the 1 Minute Woodturner. If you're a faceplate turner or a bowl turner who works with a lot of heavy pieces of wood, you might want to consider looking at using these heavy-duty bowl jaws. The thing that sets them apart is the thickness of the jaws. There's a standard jaw, there's the heavy-duty one. Essentially, the two types of jaws are the same, the standard and the heavy-duty. The difference being that you have these serrations on the inside surface for extra grip if you're gripping onto a spindle, or they've got this dovetail on the outside if you're expanding into a recess. When the jaws are expanded, the inside capacity is about 75 millimeters and the outside capacity is about 108 millimeters. These are capable of doing the same as the standard jaws, but with all that extra meat in the walls for extra security. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, click on the links below and don't forget to subscribe.